Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel password. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open your YouTube channel. After that you have to click on Google Accounts. After here you have to click on Security. After clicking on Security, you have to scroll down here and click on Password. After clicking on the password, here you have to enter your old password. If you have forgotten your old password, then do not worry, so I will tell you how you can reset this password and how to add a new password. Friends, if you have also forgotten your old password, then click on Forget Password. Now here you have to click on your Continue and give the password of your mobile phone, which is the password of your home screen, or you have to add your fingerprint. Now you have to add your new strong password here. After that, click on Change Password here. Here you can see that the password has been changed. In this way you can change the password of YouTube channel.